Want real mobile control of your security system? Now you can have it all with a brand new application for the iPhone. This free app works just like your Honeywell keypad on an iPhone or iPod Touch. If you want to arm your security system from the office, this is the app for that. Say you want text messages that tell you when your child comes home from school. This is the app for that too. And with just a few taps, you can even turn on a porch light or see pictures of important events, so you're always connected. Honeywell's My Keypad iPhone app keeps you in the know, no matter where you go.